Good morning, my dear little kids. How are you all? Hope you all are good. So, kids, today I will introduce you one new letter. Okay, so today we are going to learn about new letter, letter P. Okay, which letter? Letter P. And kid, what is the sound of letter P? P says P. P says P. Okay, so now come and let's know about letter P. So kids, this is letter P. Which letter is this? This is letter P. P for, what is this? Which bird is this? This is peacock. Okay, so P for peacock. P for peacock. Okay, so kids, this is our national bird. Okay, now come and see what is this, kids? See, kids, what is this? This is P for penguin. P for penguin. Okay, now see this next picture. P for panda. Okay, what is this? Panda. So P for panda. Okay, now see, this is last picture. What is this? Can you guess it? No? Yes, this is P for pig. P for pig. Okay, so kids, this is letter P. Okay, now see what is the formation of letter P. Standing line. Okay, then from here right curve. Okay, standing line and right curve. So this is letter P. Okay, so let's revise once again. P for peacock, P for penguin, P for panda, and P for pig. Okay, so now kids, come and see how to make letter P by a very interesting activity. So now kids, let's see how to make letter P. So first you have to make standing line. Okay, standing line, and then you have to make one right curve like this. Right curve. Okay, make standing line and right curve. So this is letter P. Okay, now see kids, I have here flour. Okay, so you can take wheat flour, then you have to make letter P on this wheat flour. So how to make letter P? Standing line. Okay, then from here you have to make one right curve. Okay, standing line and right curve like this. Okay, so like this you have to make letter P. This is activity time. So kids, are you ready for the activity? Yes, very good. So let's start, kids. So very first you have to take one white A4 size sheet. Okay, then what you have to do, I am doing step by step and I will show you. Okay, so very first I am taking one standing line. Okay, one standing line. Then I am taking Fevicol. Then you have to paste this standing line on this white paper. So wait, I am pasting this, then I will show you. So kids, like this you have to paste this standing line here. Okay, now our next step is, I have one right curve. Okay, so you have to cut this right curve. Now I am pasting this also. Okay, now I am pasting this. have to make one big P. Okay. What is this? This is letter P. Okay. Now see what ma'am is doing. You have to cut this two shapes paper. Okay. So I will show you how to paste it. Now kids, look here. These two shape papers you have to paste on this curve top side. Okay. Now I have these two white paper, and then you have to mark small black circles on it. Okay. Then you have to paste it. How to paste it and where you have to paste it, this I will show you. So you have to paste these two white and black circles like this. First you have to paste on this standing line, and one you have to paste on this curve side. Okay. Now last, you have to make one oval shape paper, then you have to mark these two black circles on this oval shape paper. Then I am pasting this. Kids, my activity is completed. See kids, so this paper you have to paste here. So what is this? Can you guess? No, this is P for pig. P for pig. Okay, and if you want, then you can make one tail also. Okay, like this. This is tail. So this is letter P. Okay, and P for pig. Okay, so you have to do this activity at your home and send me the pic. So now kids, this is study time. So I am taking today's work in our book English Capital Letters. Okay, so now open page number 46. Okay, this is letter P. So very first you have to write here today's date. Okay. Now see which letter is this? Letter P. Which letter is this? This is letter P. Okay. So what you have to do? First you have to make standing line. What is the formation of letter P? Standing line. Then from here make right curve. Okay. So let's start and trace the line. So very first you have to make standing line. Okay. And then you have to make right curve. So start from here. Make right curve. Okay. Join the dots and trace the line like this. Okay, so you have to trace letter P. Okay, now see this side. What is this, kids? This is P for polar bear. What is this? P for polar bear. Okay, and what is this? P for pumpkin. P for pumpkin. Okay, so kids, what is pumpkin? Do you know? No. Kids, pumpkin means कद्दू. Okay, जिसके vegetables हम खाते हैं ना, वो vegetable है. This is a vegetable. Okay, so P for pumpkin. Okay, now see this side. We have two lines. Polar bear says hello, hello. Okay, polar bear says hello hello to the pumpkin yellow yellow. Okay, polar bear says hello hello to the pumpkin yellow yellow. Okay, so this is P for polar bear and this is P for pumpkin. Okay, now see downside, some pictures are there. So what you have to do, please circle the letter P and read the words aloud. Okay, so here we have some picture, so you have to speak loudly this picture with your ma'am. Okay, and circle the letter P. So what is this, kids? Which picture is this? Yes, P for peacock. P for peacock. So you have to circle this letter P. Okay, now next picture. P for parrot. P for parrot. Okay, so you have to circle this P also. Now our next picture. P for panda. P for panda. So you have to circle this P. Okay, so like this you have to complete this CW page. Okay, now come to our next page. This is your homework page. Okay, so now what you have to do, trace and write. You have to trace and write letter P. So first line is your tracing line, so you have to trace it. Start from here, standing line and make right curve. Okay, again standing line and right curve. Okay, like this. So like this you have to complete this tracing line. Now come to next box. In this box we don't have any dots. Okay, so directly you have to make letter P on this single dot. So let's see how to make letter P. From this dot you have to make standing line. Okay, then from this dot you have to make right curve like this. Okay, again standing line. Okay, then make right curve. Okay, so this is letter P. So like this you have to complete this line also. Now see downside, we have a small activity in this book. So what is the activity? Penguin like the pastry with letter P. Penguin likes the pastry with letter P. So circle it. So what is this? Here we have, so kids, here we have one penguin. P for penguin. Okay, and this penguin likes to eat pastries. Okay, can you see this? We have many numbers of pastries. Okay, so this penguin wants to eat these pastries, but only that pastry the penguin wants to eat which has letter P. Okay, so let's find out which pastry has letter P. This, no, this is letter F. This, no, this is letter K. This pastry has letter M, and this pastry has letter P. Okay, so you have to circle on this letter P like this. Okay, so you have to complete this page by trace and write letter P, and you have to circle on letter P and complete this activity. So kids, like this you have to complete this both pages. Okay, so kids, objects which start from letter P are P for peacock, P for parrot, P for panda, P for penguin, P for pig, P for pumpkin, P for pen, and P for pencil.